Hello mga friendship, this is JLo from JLofied and this is another tutorial video. Dahil bawal pa rin lumabas dahil sa community quarantine, I'll give you a walkthrough kung paano pa rin makakapag-save sa inyong modified Pag-IBIG 2 or MP2 using GCash. Huwag sana maging hadlang community quarantine sa pagsasave natin. Especially for those na may extra naman talaga. Like for those na nag-work from home, nakakatipid tayo sa gasolina, nakakatipid tayo sa pamasahe, so pwedeng itong i-save sa ating MP2.
Paano nga ba magbayad ng Pag-IBIG Fund MP2 gamit ang GCash? Here's how. Open your GCash apps. Enter your MPIN. If you can see, meron tayong balance na 551.25 sa GCash because I'm planning to invest 500 pesos for today sa MP2 for the month of September. Then click Pay Bills. Listed on the next screen are the list of billers categories. We have electric utilities, we have telecoms, credit cards, loans. For this instance, since Pag-IBIG is a government institution, click Government. Then click Pag-IBIG Fund on the list. It says here sa screen that payment will be posted within 3 business days. So, aabangan natin to. Meron siyang tatlong options: member contribution, modified Pag-IBIG to savings, and housing loan. So, for this instance, select modified Pag-IBIG to savings. Enter your MP2 account number. Dahil I have an existing MP2 account na, pwede na ako mag-save using this payment gateway. However, if wala pa tayong MP2 account, visit your nearest Pag-IBIG branch. Enter amount. For this instance, enter natin 500 pesos because this is the minimum contribution for your MP2. Period covered from, i-assess na natin kung ano yung particular day ngayon. So for example, today September 19, ganun na rin po sa period covered 2, same date na rin. Why? Because if you're going to spread the payment, for example, period covered from September 19 to period covered to October 19, yung 500 pesos po, may split siya into 250 for the month of September and October. Dahil ang goal natin is to pay 500 pesos for September, same date na lang po ang period covered from and period covered to. Enter email address if you want to receive your payment confirmation through your email address. Then click Confirm. If you will notice, a total of 505 pesos was received by GCash dahil may 5 pesos pong convenience fee si GCash, which is for me, sobrang super sulit ito. Don't forget to screenshot and it's all done. It's simple, it's safe, and it's secured. Thanks for watching!